Dear students, in previous class we were studying the grammar topic determiners. We know that there are many forms of determiners. There are articles, possessive articles, and the possessive adjective my, your, his, her, its, their. Demonstrative adjective this, that, these, those. Distributive adjective each, every, either, neither. Interrogative adjective what, which, whose. And some words and phrase which express number, quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, some, any, both, all, many, some. These words are determiners. Articles comes under determiners. We were studying articles a and the. We studied the use of a and now. Today we shall study the use of the. The is definite articles. In determiners we are studying articles. The is definite article. Rule 1. The used before singular countable noun which denotes the whole group or class. Example: the cow is an animal. Cow is singular and also countable. It denotes the whole cow group all over the world. But when we write cows are animals, then article not used, the not used, because it is plural. Article the will be used only singular noun which denotes a whole group or class. Whole cow group class it denotes. It is singular cow, so the. When cows written plural, then article not used. Second use. The used when a noun is repeated. When a noun is repeated, then it becomes familiar, definite. So definite article the used. In second, repeated in second, third, fourth in the passage, second, fourth, third, fourth sentence, anywhere it is used, always the used. But for the first time, a used. Example: there was a farmer. First time the word farmer used, so indefinite article a or an, a farmer. But now in second sentence, not a farmer, it will be the farmer, because it has become now definite farmer. We are talking about definite farmer. The farmer had an ox. First time ox used, so an ox and 2 cows. The ox, now ox is used here second time, so the ox, and cows is also. The ox was strong, but the cows. Before cows article will come the, because cows are used second time, it has become definite, so definite article the used. The cows were weak. Third number. The used before the names of range of mountains, group of islands, rivers, lakes, bays, gulfs, seas, oceans, forest, ships, planes, trains, musical instruments, heavenly bodies, newspapers, superlative degree, the plus adjective. Example: the Himalayas. Himalayas is a group of mountains, so the Himalayas. But when we say Mount Everest, article not used, because it is not a series of mountains, it is not a range of mountains, it is only one peak, so article not used. It is not a range of mountain, it is a peak, so article not used. The Andamans. The Andamans are a group of islands, so the Andamans. But when we say Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka is also island but not group of islands, so no article used. It is an island, not a group of island. Sri Lanka is not a group of island, so the article not used. The Ganga. Ganga is river, so the Ganga. Lake, Dal Lake is lake, so the Dal Lake. The Bay of Bengal, before Bay, the used. The Gulf of Mexico, Gulf name, the used. The Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Black Forest, the Titanic, the Meghdoot. Meghdoot, it is the name of aeroplane, so the Meghdoot. The Rajdhani Express, it is name of train, so the used. The tabla, name of musical instrument. The moon, unique heavenly bodies. The Times of India, it is name of newspaper. The best, best is superlative degree, before superlative the used. The poor, the plus adjective, poor is adjective, the plus poor, it means poor people. The used with some countries, before the names of countries, article not used, but with some countries the article used. The USA, the UK, the UAE, the USSR, the Sudan, the Netherlands, etc. In the determiners, we have studied articles. Now some other determiner words we are going to study. Use of some, any. Some, any, both Hindi meaning has कुछ, थोड़ा. Some, any. Where some used, where any used. Both have meaning, Hindi meaning कुछ, थोड़ा. Some. In positive sentence, some used. In positive sentence, some used. And in interrogative sentence, when interrogative sentence indicates offer, invitation or request, then also some used. Example, he has some cows. This is positive sentence, so some used. Would you like to have some tea? This is offer or request. Interrogative sentence, offer or request, so some used. Any. Any is used in negative sentence and interrogative sentence. First use of any is negative and interrogative sentence. The second use if clause expresses doubt. When a clause is in a clause starts with the word conjunction if, and that indicates doubt, then any used. Example, he doesn't have any milk. Sentence is negative, so any will be used, not some. Have you any cows? Not some cows. Sentence is interrogative, so any will be used. I don't know if he will have any success. Clause starts with if. When clause starts with if and that indicates a doubt, then any will be used, not some success, any success. Now the use of little, a little and the little. Little, a little, the little. They are used with uncountable nouns. Meaning of little is not much. Not much, थोड़ा, नहीं के बराबर. Meaning of all little is some, थोड़ा. It has positive sense. Little means थोड़ा, नहीं के बराबर, negative sense. A little means some, थोड़ा. It has positive sense. The little means not much but all. जो थोड़ा है सब, not much but all. Now we understand this with example. There is little milk, so we can't make tea. We have used the word little. Little means negative sense. दूध नहीं के बराबर है, इसलिए चाय हम नहीं बना सकते. There is a little milk, so we can make some tea. A little has positive meaning. थोड़ा दूध है, इसलिए हम चाय बना सकते हैं. I have used the little milk which was left. द लिटल, आई हैव यूज द लिटल मिल्क विच वाज लेफ्ट। जो थोड़ा दूध बचा था वो सारा मैंने यूज कर लिया, इसलिए हम लोग चाय नहीं बना सकते। थैंक यू।